Hello students, welcome to Sitaram IAS tutorials. So the question is, why are millets said to be climate friendly? Explain it in the context of International Year of Millets 2023 declared by the United Nations. So they have asked to give the reasons for why millets are considered as climate friendly, and next um, you have to explain this in the context of the declaration of Year of Millet. So United Nations has declared 2023 as the International Year of Millet. So regarding this we have to write some points. Okay, so let's start. First we have to analyze. Next, if you don't know about this, so some points you have to research in the net, and then you have to carry on with the answers. So here what I'm thinking is, first I will give some points so that even it will be useful for you. So International Year for Millets is declared by the United Nations. So in the 2023 is considered as International Year of Millets. So what are these millets? Millets are like small grass plants which produce grains. So ragi, jowar, bajra, all these are millets. So Rajasthan is the top producer of millets, and here before Green Revolution we used to use millets only, but after the Green Revolution and due to other food security issues and all those things, we started using rice and other food products. So again, after getting to know that millets are climate friendly, in how many ways millets are climate friendly means, so millets take very less water. It can be grown even in the arid climates. So Rajasthan is a top millet producer. So by this you can know how millets can contribute to the climate friendly and even to encourage the food sustainability. So here millets can be grown in the arid zones also. Rajasthan is a top producer of millets, and they have deep root systems, and they are farmer friendly because they are resistant to pest, they are resistant to diseases, and they are resistant even to the drought situations. Okay, and they make soil nutritious. Okay, some of the millets make the soil nutritious. They are pest resistant, so farmers require low input cost to produce this millets. And yes, millets are very healthy, especially for the diabetic patients, and for unhealthy patients, millets are considered as the nutritious food. So, all these are the reasons of the millets. Okay, so I hope you got some idea about the millets. So, I have written uh, I have written an answer, so let's check it out. So here I didn't get what to take as a graph, as a diagram. So I have taken the production of millets. So in the year 19 from the year 1966 to 71, millets are still in 20%. From here to 2001 it is in the same rate. So again in the year 2023 the millet production has raised. So I didn't drew here, but you have to draw in your practice notes. Okay, so let's start. The answer is, first I have started the answer with a quote: India is at the forefront of popularizing millets whose consumption further is nutritious food security and welfare of farmers. So here this quote is actually given by our prime minister. So here I have taken some of the different points. Okay, so millets are the cereal crops and small seed grasses that are widely used in African and Asian countries. So this is the basic definition of the millets. They are thermophilic. Thermophilic means they thrive at relatively high temperatures. They sustain high temperatures. Okay, they are thermophilic, and they are xerophilic. They reproduce with limited water supply. So reasons for the millets to be climate friendly are first point is they are resistant to climate change, and the other point is here you got 1 2 3 4 5 6 points, right? So here if you don't know this diagram, you can draw a cluster map uses of millets, and you have to write down all these points. Okay, so the first point is resistant to climate change. Millets are resistant uh, to climate stress, pests, and diseases. They consume less water. When compared to rice and other food crops, millets consume less water. Carbon sequesters. When compared to other food crops, they consume more carbon dioxide from atmosphere and thus acts as a major carbon absorber. Low input cost. So very low input cost is needed to cultivate millets as they are pest and disease resistant, and efficient in arid areas. So they grow well in arid zones and or rain fed locations with marginal soil fertility and moisture. It has effective root systems and require less water. Next is healthier to consume. Millets can lower the risk of diabetes and obesity, improves cholesterol levels, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Due to all these reasons, millets are considered as millets are said to be climate and farmers friendly. So before green revolution, millets made up to 40% of all cultivated grains, but it has dropped to 20% over the years due to push factors like food security. Thus, with the aim to create awareness and increase production and consumption of millets, United Nations declared 2023 as the International Year for Millets, with the theme harnessing the untapped potential of millets for food security, nutrition, and sustainable agriculture.